Dr. Burns did a study on goal achievement. What that goal achievement PhD study determined was that there's three things that drive all of our behaviour. The first thing is internal images. We tend to avoid action based on how we imagine things to feel. What the study showed was that we walk around with a set of emotional scales, constantly weighing things up, and we'll tend to do whatever makes us feel better, including getting out of taking the action. The second thing that drives all of our behaviour is our self-talk. The way that we talk to ourselves determines what we focus on. Ask better questions and get better quality answers. Our self-talk is the last cognitive event that takes place before any action occurs. And the third thing that drives our behaviour is our body posture. Our brain's primary function is to know what goes on in the body. How would you be sitting if you were totally successful? What look would be on your face if you were determined? So the three things that drive all of our behaviour: internal images, self-talk or our self-dialogue, and our body posture. Anchoring, again, is another term in the world of neuro-linguistic programming or NLP. The brain does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. And some of you would have heard the story around Pavlov's dogs. Pavlov had some dogs, and ultimately what he did was he rung a bell and showed a chop. The dogs would come running, and all of a sudden they would start to salivate. Rung a bell, showed a chop, rung a bell, showed a chop, and then all of a sudden he just rung the bell and showed no chop, but the dogs continued to salivate. So the brain does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. And this is called anchoring.